Well, I finally got the Sonic Show, the Complete Mess Collection, Pingas Edition. Finally came in the mail after about, like 2 or 3 days. But you're not here for that. You just want to see what's inside. So, let's open it up. Okay, well, the first thing I see is the bill. And the next thing I see, it's finally the Pingas Edition itself. There it is. Aw, isn't Big so wonderful? And did he look high to you? Did he look like he may have been token or joking? Well, anywho, let's actually see what's inside the case. Okay. Well, here we have the C's itself. The quote by Mike Pollock. And yeah, pretty much Mike Pollock's joke, quote, and whatnot. Jay asked me for a quote, to be or not to be, that is the question. Not sure who said that originally. Could it be Sawyer? Oh, Mike, we love you. And also the disc itself, looking nice. But let's look at the DVD. Okay, so inside we also get the DVD itself, the special Pingas Edition DVD with Super Eggman right there. Oh, and it also comes with some stickers. Some Sonic Show stickers. That's nice. That's wonderful. And there he is, the great Let's Player of the North, Tanner, who still hasn't beaten Sonic 2. Tanner, get on that! Oh, and we have a tattoo! Sonic Show tattoo! I'm probably not going to put it on me. I don't really feel like putting it on. And that's about it, unless there's somebody else in here. Yeah. No, I guess that's about it. Huh. I thought there was going to be something else in here as well. Maybe in the little instruction book. Yes, a CD with an instruction book, if you could believe that. Oh my god. Oh, look, Evil the Hedgehog, the most original fan character. Do not steal!